Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through how to sell crypto and withdraw to bank account on Kraken Pro. So let's dive into it. So one of the best methods is to open the Kraken Pro app and log into your account. Then from there, you have to, from the bottom menu, you have to tap the trade icon and search for and select the crypto trading pair you want to sell. For example, you can pick from the list of the trading pair option you have on your list, which is BTC/USD. Then from there, tap sell and enter the amount you want to sell and review the price and fee. After that, you have to confirm the trade. So your crypto will be converted to your chosen fiat currency, which is the USD Euro. So go back to the main menu and select the funding and tap withdraw. Then choose the fiat currency you just converted your crypto into and select your bank account from the saved list or add a new bank account if needed. Enter the withdrawal amount and review the details, and after that confirm the withdrawal and complete any security verification, which could be your two-factor authentication or your email verification, and wait for the transfer to be processed. Bank withdrawal can take up to 1 to 5 business days depending on your bank and your region, and that's how you can easily sell crypto and withdraw to bank account on Kraken Pro. I find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.